Hi everyone, it's Deborah and I wanted to show you a flip through of my current class with Bella Paperie. You can actually take this class if you live in Australia and it is available through Bella Paperie. I will put the link below, and it is done online through a private Facebook group that I run. So here it is here. I've got some lovely seam binding around it. That is mine. It doesn't actually come with the kit, and there are some other options that I give you as I go through the class where you can decide whether or not you want to do a particular thing. So this paper is from Stamperia. It's the Imagine range of papers, and I've made this journal, which is a 6 by 8 inch journal, out of it. I've also added in some other things, other papers as well. And there's a pocket here, and this is the card that slips in there for journaling. Then we've got some tags in this pocket here, and they're just for journaling on as well. The kit comes with the pack. It also comes with the lace and 2 of these closures, plus a number of other things that I provide out of my stash for you. However, you will need some washi tape. You'll also need some plain string. And these things are optional. If you don't want to do that, you don't have to do it. So I've used some string there, and there's another little pocket there. And then we've got a little quotes here. That all comes on the sheet. You get a sheet of quotes with your paper pack. You will also get 3 sheets of this plain craft cardstock, because I use those within this journal. And here is a little booklet that I made, so that it will be part of what you get in your kit, so you can make it. We've got another pocket here, some more of that lace. I also provide you with some papers like this, which you can optionally put in your journal. This page has got sewing on it. You don't have to sew it in order to do this though. Got another pocket in here, and out of my stash I give you some paper in yellow, pink, blue and green that goes into the journal as well. I'm also giving you some papers from a Shakespeare book from my stash, so you'll be able to make the book. This has eyelets and string on it. Now that is an optional thing. If you want to put eyelets on your tags, the tags are part of the kit, and I've backed them with some black cardstock. You can do that, but that doesn't come as part of the kit. I used my Crocodile Big Bite to do that. We make this pocket here out of the pages, and also this little booklet which has got papers in it for journaling. The other papers I give you are some of a sheet from a pattern, and I also give you some of the tissue paper from a pattern, because we use that to enhance the pages. There are a couple more tags. As I said, the backing and the eyelets and the string are optional. You can use them without doing that to them. Got another tag in here with a pocket. There's some more of that book page. Another half page there. There's a little heart that we make, and some more of the book page there. Then we make this pocket in here and do this collage with some more of that pattern paper. And there's another tag in here. So that's the junk journal. If you're interested in joining me in class, the details are in the description box below. The cost of the class is $72, which includes your kit and access to the videos and the Facebook group, which will stay up until at least December this year, 2020. And it's a lovely class to make. It should take you probably 7+ hours to make it. There are plenty of videos that are split into sections, so you can just work your way slowly through them. The other thing you will need will be some waxed thread and a needle in order to sew your journal together. So I will put all of the requirements below as well of what you would need and which ones are optional. And if you would like to join me in the class, please do so.